My husband not fit up on no fake page. Don't mind, no, leave my husband alone. You know where I start do it up on the live with fake page, not do it. Do it coming like me. I'm not having no time for fake page. Just some people just cannot fake it, you know. All me. Me should have 10 fake page, but don't even have one. Me not have no fun. When you're not trouble, I'm fail and I need some fake page. But that's not me. Alright, at that more now. I have 1,000 odd people. You have to lose to win. So we lose half of the party, but I gain a nice song. Yeah, I give him a Grammy. I make sure I Grammy myself first, so I send it out into the universe. See there? This is when I crown myself 50. This was my glass when I have when I'm 50. No, Queenie lie. When I crown myself Queen Lady Gangster, when I was, me did how much? I don't remember, me no want to tell no lie. Take off 8 off of 52 or how much? I was 44. I'm a crown myself and this was my gold glass. So right now, my song, I feel I'll bust something in our for the life. I want Nicki Minaj send for me, so I not look on. I want to say about Nicki. Why you only had on 4 nails in the video? Nicki Minaj, Cardi B would never do that. But Nicki Minaj and Cardi B is not Queenie. Nicki Minaj and Cardi B is Cardi B, and Nicki Minaj. And Queenie is Queenie. So, in your sense of humor and understanding to life, what do you think why I would be wearing 9 fingernails in the video? May I own a reason now? Now. So if I have 10 finger with 9 nails, I must pop one, put the video up and pause because a fingernail, that's what queen. That's why I'm a rain. Because I'm real and natural. Me never gonna make the 6 fingernail. Make sticker and pay him £1,200. The day, remember, so if I do the video from the Sunday, you know, me tell you that. And the man pay for half and carriage and I never go. It never happens. So the day when me got to choose after when the man book and give a limited time with a piece of fingernail I broke off. Take a fingernail on my calf and I stick it in the last part. A fingernail I have about materialistic. My band with fingernail. Suppose me did in them. You know, see pop up video where I do a Jamaica, not even eyelash me have on the night. My uncle me look the sun burn me out and me look like Scarlet Mosquito. I'm still do my song. Me look like me care about clothes, me hot girl. Miss that girl never think fingernail can't flap me. So out of everything, that's what you pick out to come here to speak to me about. Fingernail. Everything. Right now, 100 girl want to do my fingernail. 100 girl want to do my face. 100 girl want to do my ear. What you talk about? My video shoot. That I want, girl. I want the Grammy. The real goal one like we be the man have. So, when I can't work things out for myself, you ask me because you want to hear my filthy mouth. But let me tell you, don't you have common sense? There's not 5 cents, you know. It's not 5 cents, it's 6. And a lot of people forget about common sense. Right there and then, you know, have common sense. You know, make no sense. You're full of nonsense. You need to jump fence. But me not even know, say. Me not even remember, say, me have a 9 fingernail. And that's the God Almighty truth. I used to know, me see somebody, right? Me not even see that on my own video. Maybe this is fingernail. Me not black them. I'm soon. And a fingernail make me that. I'm going to show you something when I'm done. Yes, sicker. Sicker that. Up move. You know, if I video perfect, at 2 hours we take a make and do the video. 2 hours in the sun. You never take 100 years and sit down and put my song in a storage. You hear that? You know how much song I do and put my song. Queenie, shut up. Yeah, man. I may tell you, the man teach me something. Them say never too old for learning. You know. You see a smile where you have sicker, priceless. Smile at the world and the world smile back at you. I said, I'm going to the studio and sicker and say, no, before I go to the studio and say, Mama, every time I remember the moment I'm head more and thump sicker. Sicker, I know me where you thump. Anyway, Mama, So when you come in our studio, it's almost 50K views. I like, me not go over there and show me that tied up my dirty place. And Sika said to me, say, Mama, oh, Sika, don't call me Mama again, fam. Yeah. Me think that pain on my brain more than everything else. So right about now, I forgot be obedient. The man make sure tell me, say, Mama, may I put in a studio, when you come in a studio, I make you come out until me get what I want out of your voice. And the way you are doing, oh, me I do it my way. I'm just say, all right then, calm and collective. And I'm write it, go home then, listen. And just a little step-by-step things, them, it's valuable. What people don't understand, wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. When you understand life and you go through a lot and you feel like you know it all, it can't take one madman to sit down and eat one breadfruit tree, tell you something, and it makes so much difference to all of what you experience. Well, that's sicker. So, when we look into it, when we are ready with the party and the party venue, but I'm already say, shall go keep it in other place. And I'm all right, I could go feed. But in myself, I say, no care. And that's the God Almighty truth. Me just an all-purpose man where I work with the rhythm. When Sikaram turn up, I see man coming out fat Benz and say, Queenie, my birthday, I mean, I send you much in message and I'm not here for you. I see you put up the postcode, I come. I say, thanks for coming, happy birthday. Still not remember who this. Don't tell Sikaram. Me remember who this Sikaram, So me I say, Sikaram. No, I'm saying I'm go away and come back. I nobody know like party, level somebody the security, two security, me ready that the man don't want to play. Queenie, I love you. Speak your truth, Queenie, can't be your truth. So I'm sitting in the car, sick around, say I go away and come back. But him not gone, me see him still sitting in a film bench. So I say to my baby father, because I'm my security now, so I don't know Lammy security, Lammy. I say, Roland, I only am sick around again. And him say, no can't tell people them where to go do the video with. Me say, Jesus Christ, God, the man that I'm going to water food with. I'm going to start make beer nice. In the car now. Me sitting in that car now, I'm sitting in that car with him wife, and I someone walk over them to him now. And just go and let me know him now. Ah! 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 Why couldn't I love you? Ah! Ah! No, but common sense. That's why I say when you have experience in a life. Come here, I say, him come and greet me, But remember, my husband disappear. The party empty. So really, me zone out. Some of them, but me not dead. So when me sit down and look on him in front of me in the car, him and two youth and him wife, and the woman sexy, me I say, then I was sexy woman that. And the way she greet me, I say she hot with her titty them. Still don't have a clue. Yes, when me find out, say, Sikaram, don't listen, don't. I'm talented. I tell him, say, I'm a professor. He's a genius. Him born, so. Sikaram born, so. The man just put me in the studio. The man talked to me before I come and say, Queenie, don't shout. Him tell me all I want me to just step me before I come. And he just put me under one nice command as I like. Because I'm too wild and turban. It's good when you can submit. So, that program, the way him give me along the journey, ribbit in my head, I said him put me in the studio now. I'm a stay, so. Ask him. Me not even take 20 minutes to do the song. And then some song take 3 days, 4 weeks, 6 months, And it was such a journey to see. Common sense. When me sit down and say, then who that man? I can't remember when him say him a who and I'm birthday. I not even hear the name properly, like in a store. So I said to my baby father, say, who name Sikaram again? And him say, no, can't tell people the way they go do video shoot with me. Say, but I'm going to get turned on my live. I go on like me know Sikaram now. I tell him happy birthday at the empty party and me and him. Oh, God bless you. And I saw the link, make. And it ready? It's ready there? Exactly. See, that's a ready that kitchen creep. Ready. I'm a sit going to kitchen after ready. I'm already to sit sick around me. She that kitchen I can't party empty. So this is me. I say, ready, what a stupid party. I saw she start laugh. No, I must go to the kitchen. I said to her, I said, ready, what a stupid party this is. Ah, look at that, man. What a beautiful journey. When I see them, I come talk about publicity stuff. No! It's the gift and the anointing of Queen where Father God said, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Me too like, ready? Ready, me and you know, ready? Ready, I'm on a little red peacock here, you know, because she do a little short hairstyle where the cock up is at 10. Bum flicker, skin out. Because now ask if you never go wine there parties. First, the beginning, ready phone mash up. For around, must be around 10 o'clock, the phone mash up. Our phone not take no call. So, you know, nobody will do it. No DJ can get to ready. It was just the journey of Fikaram reaching out to me. For, eh? I have the video, Fikaram. When I drop, when I run and drop, when I up on the red carpet. None of that none of the video show. And Sikaram said, no, none of that today. No, may I give you a nice exclusive Queen video. None of that craziness. Them now go take a thing for not joke thing. May I make sure situate that. Them care said nothing. So the video clean. My phone not charge. What's a bad minded phone? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh, why do I have to show? Do it. Give Riley the iPhone charger, please. The one in here not working. All right, before my phone dead, please. Yeah, man. So when I try to tell you, the bottom line of the story, what is to be must be, and whatever is yours is yours. So you can't tell me something not get no Grammy. My journey alone, I will say I'm pregnant. What you should I do? Wait till the 9 months you have the baby and see if it's a boy or a girl. If you're pregnant, that's what is appropriate to do. Yeah. So, Shikari, I'm gonna make me do a whole lot more music. But this one is just the one Queen in our deck. You hear that? Yeah. To make the thing official and the system thing and a joke thing. And then a skedaddle when me just there and do my own thing. And me just want the music. Oh, thank you, grandbaby. Give grandma a kiss. Mwah! Love you. All right then.